Hey, we brought it outside for the food trucks. Food trucks are all the rage these days, including this one right here, the latest and greatest from the Moore family. It's called Bistro de Moore, joined by Trudy from the family farm. You guys raise cattle, hogs, sheep, goats, poultry, everything, right, Judy?
Everything on the farm, and we take it to get butchered at the fully inspected facility and come up with creative ways to cook it here.
And it all ends up right on this food truck. You guys used to do, go to the produce, the market, but you actually find it better just to bring it right to the truck now, don't you?
Yeah, we changed a little bit last year and decided to do the food truck. It's actually more fun. I am enjoying the cooking and trying the new dishes, so it's great.
Well, we have a little bit of line right outside here, and we are going to make a Monterey burger, right?
Correct.
What's on that?
It is our 100% grass-fed beef, grilled cooked on the grill, and then we top it with pepper jack cheese, avocado slices, and then my garlic aioli.
All right, go to work, and I'll just tell you a little bit about the farm. They just do the food truck now, and they make some good stuff, including duck kebabs. Wait till you see these things. Your slogan is from farm to table, and that's basically what's happening, directly from the farm right to the table, right?
Correct. We use our meats, and we also try to source locally as much as everything we can. Condiments, we have some cheese, etc.
All right, we have a line out there because you know us TV people, especially here at our station. Service to Chris Mulcahy first there. That is oh, wait a minute, Hillary's protesting. That's the Monterey burger with avocado, buddy. And then we have a duck kebab, right, Judy? As I hand this out the window, tell me about the duck kebab.
We raise the duck, and we actually have to run it quite a ways to get it butchered at the fully inspected facility. But then this is duck breast cubed and then marinated and wrapped in bacon and then put on the skewer with veggies, grilled up. Very good.
All right. So how's business going so far? People receptive to this?
Very receptive. It's been a little slow going. I bought an old truck. We've had some difficulties, but we're getting on the road and getting it going. And we're out there at a few different places. And Night Owl Market in Cincinnati, Hamilton, we do market on the plaza. And we're looking for new places to do. So we cater and everything else. So
Trudy with Bistro de Moore. Thank you, Trudy. Appreciate it. I'll shake your hand. Thanks for feeding us. We always appreciate that here.
Thank you.
All right, as I'll step out of the truck here to the guys who are feeding their faces out here and try not to injure myself.
This was the duck.
So that is the duck kebab.
Yeah, it's awesome. Really good.
This is duck?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's farm to table, they call it. So, I mean,
fresh on the
that was
road.
walking around a couple minutes ago.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I know. Have you tried this yet?
No, I haven't even tried it yet. I'll try it, and I'll hand the mic over to
I'll take it.
Megan, or is
It's
Chris
so
need
good.
to give us a little forecast?
You actually do, but his mouth is full.
Chris's
All right.
burger has avocado on it, cheese. Obviously, the meat looks awesome.
I didn't realize I had to speak right here. I'm all
Yeah.
burger mode right now.
I know that you've been thinking about food. But I will say it's a little cloudy, Chris.
It is a little cloudy. All right, I got this now.
And a little muggy, too.
He's got it.
Okay.
All right. Good to go. Yeah, it is going to be a little cloudy. Watch the fog lift. See more signs of sunshine through the afternoon. Rain for tomorrow, but then it's going to be smooth sailing for the rest of the week. So great things are going to be happening, and I'm going to get back to
Yeah,
this
and good
burger.
temperatures this week, too.
Yeah, I know.
And it's a pool day today, so get outside.
These food trucks are awesome. We love when they stop by. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.